Luan Originals. Got some kayaks, guys. We're about to go on an adventure. Got 3 of them. About to go try this stuff out.
Guys.
Can I have your machete or your katana?
I don't have them.
Comes out at me.
Where do we put these here?
Strap them up.
Maybe you better put that up front.
Yeah, I think I will under this.
Yeah.
We've successfully docked on shore. Luke is going exploring, but he made it successfully, as did I. His dad is out playing with some ducks. I don't know if I can zoom in to show it. Yeah, there's some ducks that just come along, and I guess they're not afraid of like humans if they're on the water. Just found that out today. Luke told me. I'm not sure how accurate that is. Anyway, you know, it was a pretty cool experience. I think I've learned a lot because I made the fatal error of tracking in way more water than I should have because you know, my pants are pretty soaked. But you know, that's all in the learning process. When Luke gets back, we'll discuss his learning experience. But yeah, for the time being, we're just chilling out here, taking a little break before we decide our next move. So I mean, you know, be right back. So how was your experience, Lucas?
Vape life. Pretty awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What, any comments? Like I had a comment about water dripping in. You didn't have that problem, but any comments?
Going too slow.
You went too slow. Over here's them ducks that were following us. Now that we're on land, though, they're swimming away. But, you know, there they are. There's 3 of them, 3 of us, 3 ducks, 3, what are we, adventurers?
Journey.
Right, Journey, because that's the name of the canoe, kayak, raft, inflatable canoe.
266.
Them ducks. We're getting ready to set off again, go down into that little cove area. So we'll see you after we get going here. And ducks.
Let's try to stay together.
Trying to stay together.
You can't run away.
I can't run away again. Alright, so I'm on the water right now, and I'm spinning. Doing this one hand. But I'm filming because we spotted a bald eagle. It's on a tree up here. I'm going to try to film it before it goes away. But this is a little difficult to steer with one hand. The eagle is on a tree way up here. And I'm spinning in my hole. That dick Luke told me to stick together because I was ahead of them last time on our way here. Now that I'm here and they want me to film this eagle, they zoomed way ahead of me. But anyway, I'm just gonna try to... the eagle is on this tree up here. Don't think it can focus. Maybe a little closer and we'll see it. I keep spinning too. It's the thing. Nope. Be right back. So we apparently scared the eagle away and he's flying this way. I doubt I'll be able to catch him on film. Oh, there he is. I can barely see him. Yeah, it's not gonna focus, unfortunately, but yeah, that's a bald eagle. He landed in a tree back here. We were trying to sneak up on him and, you know, take a picture of him so you could actually see it, but, you know, couldn't get there in time. And now I'm completely turned around. I can't even see Luke and his dad. So I'm gonna try, turning around with one hand again. Yeah, here we go. Almost got him too. I put the camera away and was getting ready to film, and then I just saw him leave now, which is unfortunate. Really wanted to get a, video of it, but didn't happen that way, and now Luke and his dad are all the way up there, so better catch up to him. Alright, so just kind of spinning right now. We made it a bit of the ways into the this cove area. Try and turn it around. Luke says it's pretty scary looking up there, so we're avoiding going any farther, so we're just gonna dock right here up on shore. So I'm gonna try doing that before see, the wind is pushing me, so if I keep filming instead of rowing, I'm gonna end up going to the spooky place, so I better stop. I'm not gonna. Yeah, anytime. Give me a few minutes. So I actually went deep into the cove, like we're like right above the bottom. We can see the rocks, can barely go any further, and now we're just kind of chilling. Luke is practicing braking by going at a breakneck pace and slamming into his dad's canoe.
Clams? Look at that. Clam! Yeah, they got freshwater clams.
Fresh water.
That's something, dude. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's explosions in the background.
I did see that.
I'm not even like moving myself, this is just the wind pushing me. I'm not moving the camera, I'm not pushing myself in the water, this is just how fast, I get pushed by the wind. It's pretty cool. I'm drifting away once again. It's looking kind of cloudy up ahead. Not sure what we're going to be doing now. Kind of a little sketched out. Luke's going to find a way to get out, you guys. We're saved.
Well, you take your eyes off, it's hard to find them. Man,
Where'd he go?
really kick-ass camera.
I lost him. Just saw a crane fly into a tree. Okay, should be right there. I cannot hold this thing steady. Yeah, there you go. I just spotted some Sasquatch footprints in the mud here, so no, Sasquatch isn't. Only the white-faced slim figure.
The skinny one.
Yeah, the skinny male.
Yeah, down there into the bloody shit,
Some raccoon tracks.
Some raccoon.
Big old goose cut. There's the goose shit through it.
Goose? Dog?
It's really interesting the way this mud dries. It really assures itself water to get in there, instead of running right off.
Really?
Yep.
Should we head back?
Yeah, I'd like seeing what that was connected to.
And some pretty flowers. And it looks like there's water on these things, but it isn't. That's just the way they're designed to look pretty.
Got my new cell phone today.
Hey, blue
Ooh.
sky. Oh my god.
Maybe we should turn back.
That's raining.
Really?
I think it is. What do you think?
Might be raining.
I think we should turn back.
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep going.
Too late to turn back now. Alright, about to get back in the kayaks and head out of here. It cleared up a little bit, and there's, other people. They're probably scouts of some kind, but back to kayaking. Before I get going, I just wanted to show you this egg sack thing. It's kind of huge. Attached to this here stump. Just wanted to show that. And so we're at our checkpoint. Luke flew ahead of everyone else, and he learned that you can't go faster, you get wet, even though I told him, you didn't listen. You better listen if you go kayaking, because if you go fast, you get wet. That's all there is to it, right, Luke?
That's the punishment.
Yep. And Luke's dad he even tried going fast, and he still got wet, so looks like there's no way to do this and do this fast without getting wet, because when you use the paddle, it tracks in water if you're going fast. So unless we're missing something, unless you know a secret, then let us know in the comment section. But for the
Notorious comment section.
Well, here we are. We docked and we're ready to. Well, we'll be ready. Lucas's dad is still. He's almost here, but we're we made it back in one piece. I would say a successful first attempt at kayaking. What would you say, Lucas? Would you agree?
Yeah.
Luke would agree.
It's pretty awesome.
It was pretty awesome. I believe with that we'll conclude the vlog, because I don't believe there's anything else to say. If I'm wrong, we'll be back, but until then, thanks for watching.
Guys.